Arthropods are all around us. They are everywhere, and some are in your house right now. In fact, arthropods are the largest phylum in the animal kingdom, ranging over 900,000 species that comprise about 85% of all known animals in the world.
Hi, I'm DJ A. Moreno. Today, join me as we'll explore the phylum Arthropods. But what is an arthropod? Well, the word arthropod describes generally the shared distinct features of the animals in the phylum.
Arthropods is named after the Greek word arthros, meaning jointed, and poda, meaning foot. Arthropods is a group of invertebrate animals. All arthropods have jointed appendages, which means their legs, antenna, and mouth part are jointed. They have an external skeleton called the exoskeleton, which protects the soft part of their body. Did you know that some of them shed their exoskeleton several times throughout their lives? Well, this is how they grow. This process is called molting. Their overall body arrangement is bilaterally symmetrical. So, if the body were cut through the center from head to tail, the two halves would be a mirror image of one another.
The animals in the phylum Arthropods can be divided into four major groups that are identified based on the numbers of legs they have.
Insects like ants and butterflies have 6 legs. Arachnids like spiders and scorpions have 8 legs. Crustaceans like shrimps and crabs have 10 legs. And the myriapoda like the millipedes and centipedes have more than 10 legs.
Under the phylum Arthropods, in the subphylum Hexapoda, there is this small creature that terrifies the many. The creepy crawlies, the cockroaches.
What's creepier is that cockroaches can survive a week without a head. But don't worry, they're not zombies. The reason behind this is that, unlike us, cockroaches don't need their mouths to breathe. Instead, they use spiracles or tiny holes in their body to inhale and transport oxygen. The cockroach only dies because without a mouth, it can't drink water and dies of thirst.
One factor that cockroaches have that terrifies humans is when they showcase their wings and believe they can fly. Yes, you heard it right.
Some cockroaches think they can fly, but the fact is that they're not actually flying but rather gliding. Many cockroaches can fly, but rather fall with style. This matter can be explained in the lens of physics. Most species of cockroach have a large body mass compared to their wings. This means flying is not easy for them. It is hard for them to maneuver, and they cannot usually fly for very long distances.
Another interesting animal under the phylum Arthropods of phylum Hexapoda is the small but terrible hard-working ants.
Ants are incredibly strong. They have the ability to carry between 10 and 50 times their own body weight. Well, this is because ants are so small, so their muscles are thicker relative to their body mass than in larger animals. This allows ants to carry objects much heavier and bigger than them. To put it into perspective, if humans could lift 10 times their weight, a 200-pound man could lift a small car above his head.
Did you know that ants don't have ears?
Well, ants use vibrations to hear, using them when foraging for food or as an alarm signal. Ants use the vibrations in the ground to hear by picking them up in the subgenual organ, which is located below their knees.
Did you know that ants have 2 stomachs?
That's right. Ants have 2 stomachs, and it's not because they are greedy. One of their stomachs is holding for food for their own consumption, and the second one is to hold food to be shared with others. Sweet, right?
The long list of interesting facts about the phylum Arthropods goes on and on and on. The phylum Arthropods is incredibly diverse, and so there are so many to mention, but they are worthy to know and explore.